Welcome back. Today we're diving into some essential ClickUp how-tos that every user should know: archiving, deleting, and managing your trash. Whether you're tidying up your workspace, reorganizing old projects, or just keeping everything streamlined, by the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how to archive tasks, permanently delete them, and even recover something you deleted by mistake. So let's jump right in and discover how each feature works and why you want to use them. To start, let's talk about archiving a task in ClickUp. Archiving is kind of like putting a book back on your shelf. You're not throwing it away, but you want it out of sight while still knowing you can find it if you need it again. The process is really straightforward. Just find any task you want to archive, then right-click on it. In the menu that pops up, you'll see the archive option. Go ahead and click that. What's happening here is you're telling ClickUp, I don't need to see this clutter in my active lists, but I might want to look it up later. So the task leaves your workspace but isn't gone forever. Now you might wonder, if it's archived, can I still find it? Absolutely. This is one of the best parts about archiving versus deleting. If you decide you need some info from that task or just want to revisit it, you can use ClickUp's search feature. Go to the search bar, type in the name of the archived task, and there it is. The task shows up in your search results because ClickUp archives are searchable. It's really useful if you ever need to reference old notes, attachments, or completion details. So archiving helps you declutter without committing to permanent removal. If you're working on a big project with lots of phases, archiving lets you tuck finished parts away neatly, while still keeping the door open for future reference. Let's move on to deleting a task. Deleting is like throwing a book away entirely. If you're sure you don't need something anymore, maybe it's a duplicate or just an old to-do list, and you want it gone for good, this is the way to go. Right-click on the task you want to delete and pick Delete from the menu. Now here's an important detail: deleted tasks do not show up in the search results. So if you search for a task you've deleted, nothing will come up. This is designed so your workspace doesn't fill up with old tasks you don't care about anymore. But what if you realize you deleted something important by accident, or you change your mind later? Don't worry, ClickUp has you covered with the trash feature. Just head over to your profile icon in the top right corner of the ClickUp window and click on it. In the dropdown, you'll see an option for trash. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a list of everything you've deleted recently. Here, where you get a second chance. In the trash, you can either restore a deleted task and bring it back to your project, or choose to delete it forever. If you restore, the task acts like it never left, so don't worry if you make a mistake, it's easy to fix. On the other hand, if you're sure you want to delete something permanently, you can do that right here too. Just take a moment to double-check before clicking Delete Forever, because after that, recovery isn't possible. And there you have it. That's the rundown on archiving, deleting, and managing the trash in ClickUp. Making use of these functions will help you keep your workspace organized, reduce clutter, and also give peace of mind, knowing you can recover things if needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, tap the like button, share your questions or ClickUp tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.